Hey, welcome to the Car Connection Workshop. Thanks for stopping by. If you're looking to keep your car long-term and give it super longevity, low repair bills, and stuff a bunch of cash back in your own wallet and become part of the 300K, 400K, or 600,000 mile club, you can. You're on the right channel. So you like my pose? Do you think this shirt makes me look fat? Hey, I've got my my Alberta license plate here, and that's my tribute to the Premier of Alberta, doing a great job out there, I think. That's just my opinion. And opinions are like belly buttons. Everybody got one. Just remember, where there's a grunt, there's a pig. So anyhow, this is a battery out of our 99 Honda Civic DX that has 300,000 K on it. And yeah, it's a Napa battery. This was put in, there's the sticker, 12 of 18. So call it 19. And it's not doing very good. It's, I got it out of the car and it was just about dead. So what have I done here? I've done a 1 hour charge test with this. This has been the best battery charger I've ever had. It's got to be 30 years old now. The thing is a brute. So we've got some surface charge in there, and I've run it on a trickle charger, 10 amps for 3 or 4 days just to stimulate it, and then I put it on my big charger and I put it on medium. You never put them on high because you'll buckle the plates in the battery. So 1 hour charge test I did this morning. So it's been on the charger. I set it for 60 minutes on medium, and now I need to test it. So we'll see what we got. I don't know if I'm going to get, this is 7 years old, and the fellows at the Napa store said it's not, there's no warranty left. So I figured that much anyway. So I've got my, this is my load tester, and you can buy these now for like 69 bucks if, you know, at Prince of the Palace store. They're plastic now, but this is a chrome, my favorite color. I've had this one a long time, and it wasn't cheap at the time. So what I've got right now is it's showing me my standing voltage is just about 13 volts. So I'm almost in the red zone. That looks good. So my standing voltage. So when I press this button, switch, sorry for all you armchair warriors, they'll say, Motormouth, that's not a button. It's a switch. I'm going to call it a toggle switch just to be difficult, okay? Because that's what it actually is. I'm going to hit the toggle switch. It's spring-loaded. So when I do that, this tester is simulating everything you have. The interior lights on in the Jeep. We better take care of that. There's a door open. Yeah, we don't want a dead battery over there. All right. So when I hit the switch, I will count 15 seconds. This machine is, it's creating a draw. So it's simulating that you have every single thing turned on in your vehicle and the vehicle's not running. Key off, engine off. What we call KOEO. Got it? Key off, engine off. So it's a load tester. We're loading, it automatically loads at 150 amps. And you're going to count 15 seconds and then read the meter. And the meter is in volts. Okay? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Earth below us, drifting, falling. I heard that somewhere. So what did we have? Well, not a happy reading. We're in the bounce back was good. So what that is when you release the toggled switch that's spring loaded and that thing gets really hot, you can make toast on there. We did it actually, just to see if we could in the shop. And we did, we made toast right on here because this is smoking hot. Because there is a element in there. So the bounce back was good. We're back up to 12, 12 and a half. That's good, but we're still in, I'll hit this just momentarily, we're still in the weak zone. But you know what? We just might get this to come back to life. We'll put it on medium charge for another 60 minutes, and then I will let it stand for a couple of hours, and then I'll run the test again, because the test results now were much better than the test results I did on Friday and then Saturday. And I finally decided to take it off the 10 amp trickle charge unit and bring it over and put it on the big beast and step the amperage up to a medium level for 60 minutes. So, and it'll shut itself off. So never leave a battery on charge, whether it's a trickle charger or a commercial grade charger, and not be home, not be in your shop. Just don't create that habit of leaving batteries on charge when you're not around, because that's when anything can happen, and it usually does. So it's best if you've got something on charge and you're leaving your shop, disconnect it, shut it down, and then plug it back on. I never leave batteries on a charger overnight or if I'm not around, because anything can happen, and you know what? You don't need a fire. So I'm just going to leave that right there because it's stinking hot, and we're going to put this back on the charge. Always hook the positive up first, then the negative. So we're going to set the charger up now on medium, and it is. And we're going to turn our timer around to 60 minutes. And we'll let it have another 60 minutes of a medium charge. And it's not quite 20 amps. We're about 15 amps on the meter. So there's 20. You can see it really good. 20, 40. We're about halfway between. So we're about 15 amps right now. And there's our voltage. So we'll let that go for an hour. Then we'll let it'll shut itself off. In about 2 hours from now, I'll do another load test and see where we're at, if we can get this thing back to life and get another year out of it. This battery's $203 now. $203. That's garage price. That's with my discount. You know, something in the TJ bit me. You look at that. I'm leaking. Better put some gasket stuff on there. So that's where we're at. That's an easy test you can do at home. You can buy that tester, load tester it's called. And that shows you, along with your battery charger, everything you need to know to test this battery except for checking electrolyte. But batteries, most of them, they're sealed now. And this has the green eye. And I can't tell you how many batteries that we put out for recycling that even when the battery had 0 voltage in it, it still showed a green eye saying that it's good to go. Maintenance-free battery. No, not a real deal. This is the real world. So, till next time, thanks for stopping by, and you can do your own battery test. Always make sure you got glasses on, and I can't see a banjo without my glasses, so I have safety glasses on. They are safety, and they're good. I can see you. Can you see me? Maybe you can. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for passing by. Happy motoring. Happy, healthy motoring. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. If you liked the video, like I know you did, ring the bell. Just get it done. Get notified when the next video comes out. See you in the next one. Gotta go.